Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer cart recovery emails from Mailchimp to Klaviyo. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the campaigns section from the main dashboard. Locate the cart recovery email campaign you wish to transfer. Click on the campaign to open its settings. Select the edit option to view the email content. Take note of the subject line for the email. Copy the email body content, ensuring you include any personalized tags. Next, log in to your Klaviyo account. Go to the Campaigns tab in the Klaviyo dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button. Choose the email option from the drop-down menu. Enter the campaign name relevant to your cart recovery emails. In the subject line field, paste the subject line you copied from Mailchimp. Now, open the email editor in Klaviyo. Paste the email body content into the email editor. Adjust any personalization tags as necessary for Klaviyo. Review the email design and layout to ensure it meets your standards. Once satisfied, set up your email lists for targeting. Configure your sending settings and schedule your campaign. Finally, save your campaign and exit the editor. You have now successfully transferred your cart recovery emails from Mailchimp to Klaviyo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.